What's happening, Magnus Sykes? So apparently, this video got almost 2 million views, blowing up. It says what a night in Chicago sounds like. I gotta tell y'all, I lived in Camden, New Jersey. If you don't know about Camden, New Jersey, look it up. That's all I gotta say. And I think at the time, Camden was considered the most violent city in America. It's funny, New Jersey had the most violent city in America and the safest city in America in the same state. Morristown, New Jersey, which is the safest in the United States. I don't know if it is now. It might still be. And Camden, New Jersey. But, as bad as I used to hear Camden was, I never saw nothing. You know, sometimes I wonder how much of the news is sensationalism and how much of it isn't. But let me check this out. Let me see what Chicago supposedly sounds like at night. Definitely sound like gunshots. Sure it ain't New Year's? That's usually what it sounds like at New Year's. People shooting their guns in the air. Well, I'll tell you this. If this ain't New Year's, this is some crazy shit. If this is not New Year's, this is some crazy shit. I don't ever remember hearing nothing like that when I was living in Camden. Lived in Camden almost a year. There was a guy running.
You just went west across the street. He was moving pretty good.
Shit, if I was y'all, I'd be moving out the way. You don't know if some stray gunfire is gonna come over and get you. Wouldn't be me. No, sir. Well, like I say, I hope it really isn't that bad over out there in Chicago. I won't be able to take it. I know sometimes it's hard and money is tight. And if it's really that violent, you hearing shit like that. Even if you're hearing shit like that once a week, once every 2 weeks, like you ain't supposed to hear stuff like that. You know what I mean? That's not supposed to be part of your normal neighborhood activity. I would have to find a way to move. You know, some people like to stay in the town that they grew up in. The town ain't really safe, then you need to get out. You know, some guys make it. You forgot where you came from. Shit, you forgot the object is to get the fuck out of the hood. God damn. Come back to help, but I ain't staying in that motherfucker. You know what I mean? Possibly get shot or hurt or robbed and all that stuff. You know how some people get. When you start doing a little bit better, they want to rob you. Start hating. But Yeah, man. I had even heard that even in my hometown that gangs were starting to get kind of, prevalent. People's like, yeah, they're out here, man. They do this and they do that. And I'm like, oh my God. When I was growing up, it wasn't like that. I actually had a principal of my elementary school ask me to come and speak. I saw him a few years ago. And I managed to go do it. I didn't end up doing it at the time just because I had some other things going on, and it was kind of like it was an offer. I don't know how, he didn't seem too adamant about it, but I definitely don't mind speaking to the kids if I can help. I definitely can. It definitely will. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, y'all, let me know, anybody from Chicago watching this, is this the real deal or is it not? That's what I want to know. And if it's like this in your town, wherever you are from in the United States of America, let me know. If you're from Camden watching this, let me know if it's like that. Because I mean, like I said, I lived in Camden for 9 months, and I don't remember hearing nothing like that. I know Camden get down. I'm just saying, I ain't hear nothing like that. But anyway, 1 million subscribers. Woo!
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below.